my YouTube channel. If you like to watch styling videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on anything. Well, before starting today's video, I just wanted to take some time out and thank you guys for your immense love on my 6 hairstyles video. I had not imagined that kind of response. You know, it takes hours and hours of filming and editing and all that, but if you get that kind of appreciation, it's all just worth it. So for today, I filmed easy bun styles that you can do yourself. Let's just get into today's video. The bun number 2 is the classic messy bun. I have 5 to 6 ways of doing it, but this one is my favorite as it makes the hair look quite messy. Grab your hair like you would do while making a ponytail. Take a hair tie, pass your hair, and halfway through twist and then secure your hair. This would turn out to be quite messy, so you have to pin it up nicely. I have thick and long hair, so the bun is huge, but I like it that way on my face. If you do not like a huge bun, you can pin it up even more and make it look smaller. You can actually recreate this in whichever way you like, because it's a messy bun, right? You can do whatever you want to with it. For the third bun style, I decided to do a French braid bun. Take a section of your hair, split it into 3 strands, and take a step as you would do in a normal braid. Now, take your lower strand that is exactly above your forehead, add hair, a small section of your hair to it and pass it over the middle. Then add hair to your upper strand and pass it over the middle. Then again add hair to your lower strand and pass it over the middle. And then take upper strand, add hair to it and pass it over the middle, and do it again and again. You have to do exactly what I'm explaining to you guys, and that is exactly what I'm doing in the video as well. But we know that all of us have different ways of working with our fingers, so it might look a little different in the video, but it is exactly the way I'm explaining it to you guys. Keep repeating the same steps until you reach half of your head, like a little above your ears, and then finish it like a normal braid. Separate your loose hair from your braids so that you can make a bun. Now grab your hair, twist them in a messy way, give them a shape of a bun, and then pin them up nicely. Keeping it casual, elegant, and effortless, you can carry the same hairstyles on a wedding or a formal event. All you have to do is just work on the neatness, and that's it. There you go, guys. This is how it looks from the front, but I have to tell you that I love the way it looks from the back. It looks like it took you 2 to 3 hours to do this hairstyle, but in fact it takes only 10 minutes. So that's why I love it. Separate the front section of your hair because we have to work on it, and secure the rest of your hair with the band. Take a section of your hair like I did, split it into 3 strands, pass the front strand over the middle, add a section of your hair to the middle strand, pass it through and join it with the lower strand. Now you have 2 strands, and all you have to do is pass the upper strand, add hair to it and pass it through, and keep on doing it. Now you have to remember that you have to add hair only from one side of your head and not both. Keep on adding hair to the upper strand and keep passing it through till you reach the end of your ear, and then you have to split it into 3 sections and continue like a normal braid and pull your hair out to give it a more messy look, and just tie a knot at the end with a thin little band to secure it. Split your ponytail into 2 halves and make a rope braid out of each half and pull out your hair so that it looks a little thick. Now for the last style, I decided to do a Dutch braid bun. Take a section of your hair and split it into 3 strands. Take the front strand, pass it underneath the middle, and take the back strand and pass it underneath the middle. Now take the front strand and add hair to it and pass it underneath the middle, and take the back strand, add hair to it and pass it underneath the middle, and do it again and again keep on adding hair from both sides and remember to pass it underneath the middle strand. Now the Dutch braid is somewhat similar to the French braid. The only difference is that in the French braid we pass the hair above the middle strand, but in Dutch braid we pass the hair underneath the middle strand. Now it looks a bit complicated, but once your fingers get used to the movements, it all gets very easy. All you need is a bit of a practice, and that's it. Now pull your braid outwards to make it look a little bigger. Then take a section from the back side of your head and make a simple braid. Then take a section from the front side of your head and make a simple braid and pull it out as well, because otherwise they will look very thin. So we are done for our front side of the head. Now we will work on our bun, which will be very easy. Now take your loose hair, split them up into two sections and make a rope braid and twist them around in the shape of a bun. Pin it up nicely. Take your Dutch braid and other braids and pin them up nicely as well. So that's it guys, that was the Dutch braid bun. I hope you liked it and I hope you liked all the styles. Do let me know which one was your favorite. My favorite was this last one and the first one. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. You know it would mean the world to me. And if you have anything to say or you have any request or suggestion, just mention it in the comments section. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.